Good day, Finch friends. Let's get back to our Finch Connection app. By now, you know that this is the correct way, or you can Google it. When you open Scratch, it will pop up the experimental warning, and you need to approve it. Once you click I understand, tell it OK, and then you can click File and load your project. I always store my project in the Documents Finch folder. Track yours down as well. You need to OK the replacing of the contents, and then bam, your remote will be back on the screen. Once again, yours will have at least 8 buttons. Today we are going to upgrade this and move to the next amazing chunk of our Finch programming. Start by right-clicking on any of your buttons and hitting duplicate. Click on that new button and go to its information. And call this button Hi with your name. So mine is Hi Mike. Go to your button's costume and change the name to Hi Mike. We're going to make a version later where it says hi to other people, so actually do make this one say your name. Adjust it, change your colors. Remember, because we did vector mode, we can just paint on top of these. Arrange your button however you want, and then go to the scripts so we can change the cool code. Instead of using fit LED, we're going to delete that. We're going to go to the more blocks, and we're going to find the speak, and we are going to make it say Hi Mike by typing Hi Mike. And then you can instantly click on your button and you can hear it. Hi Mike. I need you to use that skill to make at least 3 more buttons, so you'll have a total of 4 of these simple ones. My next one is going to be How are you? You can give it any phrases you want. We always click the info, change the name. I'm going to do How are you with funny spelling. And then, of course, I'm going to go to my sprite's costume and change those things. I'll leave the funny spelling there as well. I'll arrange it so I'm happy and change my colors. I don't have to show you how to do that anymore. You've seen that so many times. And then simply go to your scripts and give it a new phrase to say. Alright, let's make a super fancy button where they actually communicate with you and the Finch. Right click and duplicate, of course, and this is going to be your name. And then we need to change it to say, using the costumes, what's your name, which is pretty large, but we're going to try and squeeze it on. I'll shrink it a little bit. The other thing I can do is, because this is all vector mode, I can actually make that button a little larger if I choose to. When you get your what's your name icon placed, go to its scripts, and we're going to use the sensing. And all we do is put ask what's your name above, and then instead of speaking how are you, it's going to speak the answer. Which is silly, because when you click it, it just says the name that you type. So here I'm putting in Al, and it says the wrong way to say Al. But what you have to do then is take the answer out, go to your operators, and find the cool join command. And we want it to speak something different, so I'm going to change it to say nice to meet you, and then you put your answer in the box. Now when you click it, it'll say nice to meet you and whatever name you get typed in. I'm going to right click and clean up my code. And your job is to integrate this skill at least 2 times in your remote, so it asks something and then uses the information for something cool. Make sure that you click File, Save Project, because these do not save to the cloud. I always delete the extra SBXs, and I'm going to put a 4 for this file. When you're done, you'll have something like a dozen buttons, and make sure that you've also created 2 of these fancy questions where they ask you for information and then they repeat back the answer. Have fun, let's see how epic you are, and make sure you show me the cool things you create. If you're new to us, please like, comment, and subscribe.